Thokozani bogogo nomkhulisani wasendoda lesi. Ngane zakwethu njengoba sibona eindabeni kunezigameko eziningi kushona ingane isikolo kushona lokho uthisha ukwaziwe ngenxa ukuthi umfundi bekangafuni ukwamukela ukuthi ufailile fanele repeat class umfundi othize ubulewe ini ingozi esesikoleni. Don't you think it's about time ukuthi ezikoleni kufundwe about the calling as ama subjects amanye angazi noma i-religious isafunda na ezikolweni, but I think it's hard time for ezikoleni ngane zakwethu ukuthi ke sifunde about our culture and not just reading about ukuthi amaZulu amaXhosa in no, but sifunde ngokuthi what is a calling, what is ubungoma. Kube khona nje i-subject that will teach about these things at the high school, at least high school level, so that umntwana uyakhula une-understanding better ukuthi how do you identify, how do you see ukuthi ubani unobizo, how do you see, how do you check ama-behaviors ey'ngane abantwana abafunda nazo ukuthi yazi classmate yami I think classmate yami ubathini, I think une-calling. Uboneni hayi ukuthi ngingabheka i-behavior yakhe ngarefera ku-chapter sibani kuleya ncwadi leyana yama-cultures noma leya ye-calling. Because the reason I'm saying this, there was once a school, I think it's in the Eastern Cape, if I'm not mistaken, that the teachers were complaining ukuthi one of the pupils lapana bekanobizo and everything, bekaza nesnefu nempepha and everything, and they were refusing that child to do that. But other kids, they say it's not fair because nathi awaphatha amabhayibheli ethu and everything, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's because of these things we are not discussing them. I don't know, guys. I'm just opening a platform here. Let's discuss these things. Until when are we going to fold our arms and check and look at ezikoleni ukubulawana abantwana besikolo bayakwazana in kuyakhulunywa yini ngequnga esikoleni? Are these kids getting counseling to say okay, lona ubhuti wakhe uyinkabi ubulala abantu, so lento lena uyifunde ekhaya kubo egcekene ne-everything, kunokuthi aboshwe ngeke umsize ngalutho udinga i-counseling izinto efana lezo? When are we going to get into that ukuthi we discuss such things, we get to the bottom of it, we get to talk about them, we get to know ukuthi yini kahle kahle inkinga yelo muntu? Is there other way that this thing can be taught ezikolweni, even if it's not a subject edinga ukuthi uze uyiphasa, but it's a subject mhlambe that will be based on assignments, ukuthi you go to interview a traditional healer to find out ukuthi ubizo lwakhe walithola kanjani, how did that person realize ukuthi unobizo, and what steps did that person took, and if ebengathathanga lawo ma-steps lawo ama-consequences bekozoba yini. I think that, guys, can help a lot of problems that we come across ezikoleni, because at this moment most of the problems that we facing ezikoleni is because of ignorance. It's because of we don't care. It's because of our government doesn't care. That's why till today traditional healers we don't have a department that we belong to. We don't have. There's no minister that they can say this is a minister whereby traditional healers they report to. We don't have that. If you ask anyone where do traditional healers belong, we don't know. And yet we want to be recognized. And yet silapha bona abantu abaphethe imithetho and everything. It's just an open debate ngane zakwethu ukuthi should we learn, should our kids learn about ubizo ezikoleni? Salwa sendoda ugogo bathini Mbatha. I actually do a lot of talks in some of the schools that they invite me to come and talk and everything. But uthola ukuthi bakhetha amaphele emasini, bakhethe those few kids and say yilaba sasuspectsethayo ukuthi engathi bana something. They call it something. So ingane zakwethu asidebate lento lena salukwazi indoda ugogo bathini Mbatha 083 533 9183. Ingane zakwethu inkosi ithele umusa. Don't forget to subscribe ngane zakwethu. Thank you very much.